Welcome back. Today we are unboxing ONIDA LILIPUT washer 7 kg. MRP 6,690. September 2022 manufacture date. Box weighs approximately 12 kgs, 50 cm height, easily portable. Lava red color. Lilliput 7 kg capacity. You can see the water inlet. You can leave the hose pipe. Washer controls. Cycle selector. Normal cloths, heavy, and it can be drained out. The timer. This Lilliput ONIDA washer is made up of anti-rust fiber body, rust proof, very portable, small product, ideal for the small family or bachelors. The lid is completely openable. You can either put the water from the hose pipe or just like that water you can pour it inside the tub. You can see the spinning motor. It's 270 watt. Even your shoes and other products can also be, other clothing material can be washed here. Bed sheets, rugs, mattress can be washed. You can see the inlet pipe. This can be connected to your any normal tap or any other fitting. The outlet pipe is here. Three-pin power control. Comes with a warranty from the manufacturer. Power supply 270 volts. 2 wash program from pulsator motor. Normal wash and heavy wash. The washer timer is also set here. User manual and customer care support number is also available. Installation guide is mentioned here. You can go through the manual. Do not insert metals, coins, pins, keys before washing, and other general instructions are mentioned. Not much of maintenance is required. Ideal for small family, couple, or bachelors. The safety measures, please go through it before installation. Comes with 1 year warranty for overall product and 6 years warranty for the motor from the purchase date of bill. Overall a good buy, between 5 and 5,500 range. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.